10th class math part first, lesson number 3, arithmetic progression. Today we are going to solve problem set 3. From this problem set we will start from question number 2. Now question number 2 is find the fourth term from the end in an AP minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 dash dash 49. Now let's solve this example. Given AP is minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 dash dash 49. So we have to write this AP from end. That is, we have to reverse this AP. So we get reversing the AP, reversing an AP will be, if we reverse this AP, then 49 will be first term, 49 dash 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 minus 5 minus 8 and minus 11 is last term. Now here the first term A is equal to 49. So common difference D is equal to this term minus this term, or this term minus this term. That is minus 11 minus in bracket minus 8 is equal to minus 11 plus 8 is equal to minus 3 is a common difference. And we have to find the fourth term. That is, we have to find T4. Then N is equal to 4. Now we use formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore T4 is equal to A is a 49 plus N is a 4, 4 minus 1 into D, D is minus 3. Therefore T4 is equal to 49 plus 4 minus 1 is a 3, 3 into minus 3. Therefore T4 is equal to 49 minus 3 into 3 is a 9. Therefore T4 is equal to 40. 49 minus 9 is a 40. Therefore we write the fourth term from the end. Fourth term from the end of an AP is 40. Question number 3. In an AP, the 10th term is a 46. Sum of the 5th and 7th term is a 52. Find AP. Here we have given 10th term, that is a T10 is equal to 46, and we have given the sum of 5th and 7th term. That means we have given T5 plus T7 is equal to 52. Now T10 is equal to 46 is we have to given. Now we use here formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. T10 is a 46. 46 is equal to A plus 9D. Therefore A plus 9D is equal to 46. Let this is the equation number 1. Now we have given T5 plus T7 is equal to 52. Here we also use formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now for T5 we use formula A plus 45 N is equal to 5 minus 1 into D, plus for T7 we use N is equal to 7, that means plus A plus n is a 7. 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 52. Therefore a plus 5 minus 1 is a 4. 4d plus this a plus 7 minus 1 is a 6. 6d is equal to 52. Now this a plus a will be 2a plus 4d plus 6d will be 10d is equal to 52. Now divide both sides by 2, that will be a plus 5d is equal to 26. This is equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we write here subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 is a plus 5d is equal to 26 minus equation 1 is a plus 9d is equal to 46. So this will be minus, minus and minus. Now a minus a will get cancelled. 5d minus 9d, that will be minus 4d, and 26 minus 46, that will be minus 20. Therefore 4d is equal to 20. Therefore d is equal to 5. Here d is equal to 5. Now let's find the value of a. Now put d is equal to 5 in equation 1, and equation 1 is a plus 9d is equal to 46. So a plus 9 into 5 is equal to 46. Therefore a plus 45 is equal to 46. Therefore a is equal to 46 minus 45. Therefore a is equal to 1 here. Now we have to find AP, that is we have to find the terms of AP. At first, the first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 1. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, and T1 is a 1 and D is equal to 5. Therefore T2 is equal to 6. T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Therefore required AP is, first term is a 1, 6, 11, 16 dash 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 is a required AP here. Question number 4. The AP in which fourth term is a minus 15 and ninth term is a minus 30. Find the sum of first 10 numbers. Now we have given here fourth term, that is a T4 is equal to minus 15, and also we have given here T9 is equal to minus 30. Now we use formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore for T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. T4 is a minus 15 is equal to A plus 3D. Therefore A plus 3D is equal to minus 15. This is a equation number 1. Now we have given T9 is equal to minus 30. Here also we use formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T9 is equal to A plus, that is n is equal to 9 minus 1 into D. T9 is a minus 30 is equal to a plus 8d. Therefore, a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. This is the equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we write subtract equation 1 from 2. So equation 2 is 8 plus 8d is equal to minus 30 minus a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. This will become minus, this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. A minus a will get cancelled. 8d minus 3d, that will be 5d is equal to minus 30 plus 15, that will be minus 15. Therefore, d is equal to minus 15 upon 5. So d is equal to minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. We have to find value of a. So put d is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So equation 1 is a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. Now value of d is minus 3. Therefore a plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. So a minus 9 is equal to minus 15. Therefore a is equal to minus 15 plus 9. Therefore a is equal to minus 6. So value of a will be minus 6. Now find the sum of first 10 numbers. So we have to find S10. S10. So we write here formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 in bracket 2 into value of a is minus 6 plus 10 minus 1 into value of d is minus 3. Therefore S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 is 5 minus 6 into 2 minus 12 plus 9 into minus 3. So S10 is equal to 5 in bracket minus 12 minus 27. 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. So S10 is equal to 5 into minus 39. Minus 12 minus 27 is minus 39. Therefore S10 is equal to minus 195. S10 is equal to minus 195. Therefore our answer is the sum of first 10 numbers of an AP is equal to minus 195. Question number 5. Two given APs are 9, 7, 5 dash dash and 24, 21, 18. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. Now we have given first AP. First AP is 9, 7, 5 dash dash. For this AP, A is equal to 9, D is equal to 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. Now we find nth term of this AP. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into minus 1 is a plus 2 is equal to 11 minus 2n is the nth term of this AP. Now second AP is 24, 21, 18 dash dash. Now for this AP, the first term is a 24 and common difference D is equal to 24, 1 minus 24 is a minus 3. And nth term of this AP, nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A is a 24 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3 is equal to 24 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Now 24 plus 3 is a 27 minus 3n. So we have find nth terms of both the AP. Now we have given nth term of both the progressions are equal. So we write here nth terms of both AP are equal. Therefore this nth term 11 minus 2n is equal to nth term of second AP 27 minus 3n. Therefore minus 2n plus 3n is equal to 27 minus 11 minus 2n plus 3n, it will be n, is equal to 27 minus 11 is a 16. Therefore we get value n is equal to 16. Now we find the nth term. So we use formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we find T16. For the first AP we have A is equal to 9 plus n is a 16, 16 minus 1 into D is a minus 2. Therefore T16 is equal to 9 plus that 15, 16 minus 2 is a 15 into minus 2. So T16 is equal to 9 minus 30. 9 minus 30 is minus 21. 16 is equal to minus 21. So our answer is value of n is equal to 16. Value of n is equal to 16 and nth term is equal to minus 21. Question number 6. If the sum of third and eighth terms of an AP is 7 and sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3, then find 10th term. Now here we have given two conditions. According to first condition, sum of third and eighth term, that is a T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. Now use formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We use this formula. So formula for T3 will be A plus 3 minus 1 into D, and formula for T8 will be A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. Therefore A plus 3 minus 1 is a 2D plus A plus 8 minus 1 is a 7. 7D is equal to 7. Therefore we have A plus A that is a 2a plus, now 2d plus 7d is a 9d is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. Now we have given second condition. According to second condition, what is second condition? Sum of 7th and 14th term is a minus 3, that is a t7 plus t14 is equal to minus 3. Here also we use formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula for T7 is a plus 7 minus 1 into d plus formula for T14, that is a plus 14 minus 1 into d is equal to, their sum is minus 3. Therefore a plus 7 minus 1 is a 6d plus a plus 13 minus 1 14 minus 1 is a 13d is equal to minus 3. So a plus a, that is a 2a plus 6d plus 13d is a 19d is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Therefore we write subtracting equation 1 from 2. Their equation 2 is a 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 3, and minus equation 1 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. So this will be minus minus minus. So 2a minus 2a will be 0. 19d minus 9d, that will be 10d. Minus 3 and minus 7, that will be minus 10. Therefore d is equal to minus 10 upon 10. D is equal to minus 1. So d is equal to minus 1. Let's find the value of a. Now put d is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 is a 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. Put value of d is equal to minus 1. Therefore 2a plus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore 2a minus 9 is equal to 7. Therefore 2a is equal to 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Therefore a is equal to 8. So value of a is 8. Now we have to find 10th term. So we have to find T10. Now here also we use formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T10 is equal to a, value of a is 8. 8 plus 10 minus 1 into d, value of d is minus 1. Therefore T10 is equal to 8 plus 10 minus 1 is a 9. 9 into minus 1. Therefore T10 is equal to 8 minus 9. So T10 is equal to minus 1. So 10th term of an AP is minus 1. Therefore we write 10th term of an AP is equal to minus 1. Question number 7. If an AP first term is a minus 5, that is a T1 is a first term, that is a is equal to minus 5, and last term is a 45. Last term means Tn is equal to 45. If the sum of all the numbers in the AP is 120, that is the Sn is equal to 120. Here we have given. then how many terms are there? That is, we have to find the number of terms, means n, and what is the common difference, so we have to find d also. Now we have a formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. This is one of the formula for Sn. Now Sn is a 120 is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 is a minus 5 and Tn is a plus 45. Therefore 120 is equal to n upon 2 in bracket minus 5 plus 45 is a 40. Therefore 120 is equal to, divide this 40 by 2, it will be 20, is equal to 20 into n. Therefore n is equal to 120 upon 20. Therefore n is equal to 6. So number of terms are 6. Now we have to find the common difference. To find the common difference, we use formula of Tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is a 45 is equal to a is a minus 5 plus n. Value of n is a 6. So 6 minus 1 into d. Therefore 45 is equal to minus 5 plus 6 minus 5 is a plus 5d. Therefore 45 plus 5 is equal to 5d. Therefore 50 is equal to 5d. Therefore d is equal to 50 upon 5. Therefore d is equal to 10. D is equal to 10. Therefore there are 6 terms in AP and common difference is 10. So our answer is there are 6 terms in AP, in an AP, and common difference is 10. Common difference is 10. Question number 8. Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. Then find the value of n. So we know that natural numbers from 1 to n are 1, 2, 3, dash dash, n. This is an AP. This sequence is an AP. For this AP, first term a is equal to 1. Common difference d is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And the sum of nth terms, that is Sn, we have given 36. Now formula for Sn is n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is a 36 is equal to n, we have to find n upon 2. 2a 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is a 1. Therefore 2 into 36 is equal to n. In bracket 2 into 1 is a 2 plus 1 into n, and 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1. Therefore 72 is equal to n in bracket 1 minus 2 minus 1 is a 1, 1 plus n. Therefore 72 is equal to n into 1 is a n into n is a n square. Therefore n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve the value of this quadratic equation to find the value of n. Therefore we have equation n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. Now find two numbers such that their multiplication is a minus 72 and the sum is a 1. So that numbers are 9 and minus 8. 9 into minus 8 minus 72 and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, that is coefficient of n. So this equation will be n square plus n can be split up as 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. So first in first two terms we get n common, so in bracket n plus 9. In these two terms minus 8 will be common, so in bracket there will be n plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore n plus 9 into n minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore n plus 9 is equal to 0 or n minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to minus 9 or n is equal to 8. But number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore we write n cannot be negative. Therefore n is equal to 8. So value of n here we have to find, and it is a 8.